Previously on Roses and Daggers.
So, tell me about this story of yours.
I don't know where to start from.
From the beginning. Tell me about your family. If you're not comfortable,
My
then...
father was the commander of the military during the First Civil War. He was murdered. They say he was part of a plan to overthrow the Doe government.
Wow.
This is so sad.
You have a baby?
So what happened to your baby? And how did he kill your child?
He would beat me senseless. She even had to entertain a few men at home, so...
We understand, okay?
I don't ever want to see him or ever have to deal with him again. Ever.
Who?
Moses.
What's wrong with him?
Food poisoning.
Well, where is he?
In the hospital.
Oh my God. Okay. Is he okay? I'm coming over.
Not necessary.
What do you mean it's not necessary? I know you'll take good care of him, Patrick. I'm still coming over.
Okay.
I'll get Festus to send his driver. I'll be fine. Please take good care of him, Patrick. Okay?
Okay.
Festus, call me back as soon as you can. It's about Josh. Baba, I'm sorry. You're going to have to go on without me.
What? Is everything all right?
Something came up. I was just called that Josh is at the hospital. I need to go and see him.
Okay. What is wrong with him?
I'm not exactly sure. That's why I need to go and make sure he's fine.
Well, do you want me to come along?
No, you can't. I wish you could, though. It's all the way in the Volta region.
Oh, that's a whole travel. It means you're traveling now?
Yes, I'm traveling now.
Alone? How do you travel by yourself?
Looks like I'm gonna have to go alone. I can't reach Festus.
Oh, I pray it's nothing serious.
Me too. Okay, I've gotta go now.
All right, safe journey.
Thank you.
Wait. Are you there?
Yes, what is it?
You said you're traveling all alone?
Yes.
How about Valerie going with you?
Why?
Because you are trying to play matchmaker. Have you forgotten? You now have a good reason to see the two children married. See, just take Valerie along with you. Allow her to nurse him. Of course, you will oversee that. See, if this is going to work, you will have to take advantage of every little opportunity. Okay? Yeah. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. You know, I think you may be right. But what if Valerie can't go? She can't just jump up and go on a journey like that.
Okay, listen. If you are not able to convince her to come along, then you are not the Marjorie I have known from high school. Because the Marjorie I know, she gets her way no matter what. Anyway, good luck. All the best, eh? keep me posted, okay?
Will do.
Sorry, can you please get me my bag? Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Joshua's mom. Hello, Mom.
Valerie? Oh, thank God. I was just about to call you again.
Is everything okay, please?
No, Valerie. Joshua is sick.
Sick? What's wrong with him?
I have no idea. But Patrick called earlier that he's at the hospital. I tried calling Festus so he could either go with me or send the driver, but he isn't picking up.
What can I do now?
Well, I know it would be a huge inconvenience, but do you think you could come along with me? Unfortunately, that would mean some traveling. I don't want to make the journey by myself. I know your presence will really do him some good.
That's okay. Where exactly is he now?
Volta region. In Kwanzaa.
That's Volt or not?
I know. That's why I can't make the journey alone. We could switch as and when we both get tired. Please, Valerie.
Okay, where are you now? When are you leaving?
Actually, I'm in the car. I can pick you up.
I'm not home now. I'm at my friend's. Can I just call you back in a second? I just want to get my thoughts together.
Okay. But be quick about it, please.
Was that Joshua?
No, that's Joshua's mom. Joshua is sick in the hospital. She doesn't even know what is wrong with him. She sounded so worried.
I hope it's nothing grave.
Me too. She needs help with driving and taking care of him when we get there.
Why not? Just park your car here and tell her to come for you.
Okay, let me just call her back.
Hello?
Hello, Mom. Can you please pick me up at my friend's? I could say in the address, that's if it's okay.
Sure, Valerie, that's perfect.
Okay. I'm so sorry about this, but I'm still going to pay you.
Oh no, please. You don't have to do that.
Winifred, I'm not going to fight you on this. Here, take it. You need it.
Go on, take it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I need you to undo the roles. I can't travel like this. We'll have to reschedule, okay?
Okay, thank you for this.
Really?
Neje mutimi ye niye kakrakra.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Please, I want water.
Oh, na sensu do nya na wa ha. Kai bi no me. Bi no wo hon. Na mo metu efi pe mu. Eh. Size you, se sex you. Sa ahia ahia. Come skabre me. Ono so me frɛ wa na. Eh? Oh. E ma me kasa dodo. Me hu da apo ejuma papa. Ah. Oh. Mo. Amenyi me ejuma de ya. Ah. Me you're fine. Some promise you them you're fine. Ah, mo inje. Je. Ah. Hey. Say me catch you. I would have to shock. Some out to shock. You catch what they may fine. What are you talking about? My all fine, Papa. Ah. From the man, I'm say I enjoy. I. Ah. About some. When you want this canon? When you want you rubber from mo? Hey, my menu ye juma mama 3 CDs. Anye wo say trem. Hey,
I'm not
complaining. Into me complain. Hey, I remember my man the me man 1 CD 50 pesos. Mutu mko na man 2 CDs 50 pesos. Na mama 3 CDs a. Ama onhwe one side do the trem. Hey, release your nose. Onhwe number of foam. Cry. Ebe, me them cry. She. Hey, nyabota. Next week, construction you know what. Ejuma no boom. Ona ebe take advantage. Na usha yire nwa ye ejuma. Me you fine. Ai. Nes me nyenya wenyi me sebe beka dem obi eyin fra me. Obi eyin fra ma. Nes me nyime to obi twoma beka da ejema. Panyini ma ye panyini bon. Ma ata na jema me de show. So nte dem. Same. Ti bombode. Foko na hwechiro na ye. Ai, monsu. Me you fine. Ame dem na me to. Ye na kwhwe chiwo na hwede. Chance ni bi wo atwetwu mam. Ai. Mamu de wenya agi 3 series na ma wenyo agi odoso fandamala what Michelle wonte manche me ebu eyi o friend dem be nku a nurse but all the same Shana moritme ama ni chobo nkuten ama tumiti chobo mbede ino de ya brem de wantade ameta mi ejuma de ya wenwa beja ama ama 3 CDs
Okay, all set?
Thank you so much for coming.
Oh, yeah.
Well, shall we?
Yes, please.
No one. Onye chibia. Owanwe ya. Tatasi. Ode kan na menyoko. Na mekachro. Ate. Na. Ye sure de jume butumai. Sure. Na wankasa. Wo baby te. Ete. Enyi baby te. I say, Mr. Soya, too. But I will more worry, cry. Oh, baby, more nice place. Single room self-contained. Who be beer is at your disposal. Atase. I mean, here and there. And you made you fine. So, Atase, what friend that wage you may more to pay. Who's gonna show me to be back home? I mean, mail fine. But is it free? So, Atase, it's you meant not fine. Moment penny there. We will miska. Satase.
Please, would you increase my pay if I work harder?
Increase your pay. Hey, Iraba. No when you are born in Yambona, taste you da infant the man. But on put on your problem. On your ska. But mama, of course. May increase amo. I mean, I then you mean you fine. You meant not fine. Mamma won't say how near Miska rough. Because area hane hundem. Nice people wa. Nembo minyaka yo. Sister, be busy. Mama catch roll. Obe design who face in our dam. but me penny them. Me peda any metina fine. I'm sure me dem me tina fine. Atase. To be my yakon. On I ndet na hodin. Po akai ma me frɛ. The man. Phone. My friend. Don't fool answer am do aduro. Ono na adwin adwuma. Ama. Ame hello. Ame hello. Say adwin dey boys ni bi na wa fra unti. Asesa voice hello. Oya me wo madam na menyo kasa ewe. Health insurance. Ama. Eja o medwuma egu wo de. Iye health insurance. Oche de wo. Eside. Kasamite. Oche de wo health insurance is important than my job no ye dem a. Ama me you with my circle. Oh, meme, mama, my veto. Ama. Ejune mi dago. She, before I mo do one, na pack wunta ma nyinara efifie ho. Oh. Oche de sisi enya big boys. Enya mpemfo aboda ma. What to them China phone na amount no. Infa menya hwe. Onye dem. Girl no dune mi dago. Epede hu show. Yo. Epede hu show awu twan meba. Na baba yem show no me da cho sisi a. Ntawo no problem. Yo, mate. Let me girl. Me na action ma. O me sameten. Me a very nice woman. Lady nkwasasem da me fa ho nchew. Atase. Iraba. Ntawo ipache de. Inti hwe.
I can't speak. Small.
No small speak. Why don't I make us I me him te. Mama ko tem kasa kasa ba hati. Ma adwene nya adwuma. Me mama me reveal me yin chiro. Empe de ma den. Ba se me ka cho.
That's Festus. Speak to him for me. Tell him I can't get on the phone now.
Hello? Yeah, Valerie. She's driving now. She can't come to the phone. We don't know yet till we get there, but I'm sure he'll be okay. I'm gonna have to take you from her at a point, so I guess we'll be fine.
Tell him I tried to call him severally to tell him to send the driver, but he never picked my calls. So I'm driving myself to see our son. Yes?
He's gonna call Patrick, and he wants us to call him immediately we get there, and he wants you to drive safe.
What does he care?
Winifred. What are you doing?
I realized the sink wasn't draining properly, so I'm trying to fix it.
What? Come out from there.
I'm almost done.
Winifred, stop it. Come out.
Ow. Perfect. It's all fixed.
Really? Wow.
Good as new. Huh? Massa.
Let's go.
Yes.
Welcome.
Patrick!
Is there anything I can do for you?
you're not going into the hospital barefooted, are you? It's not safe.
I am tired of those heels.
At least wear these for now so we get you some flats later.
Can you at least find me something else to wear? Anything would be better than these dreadful heels.
Patrick, can you please show us where he is first, please?
Just give me the shoes. We can find the ward ourselves. Just find me my slippers, please.
Let's just go.
By the way, how is he?
Well, he's fine. He's been sleeping for a while now.
What's wrong with him?
Food poisoning.
What?
What? What did he eat? And why aren't you in bed too?
Well, he ate something on site. And I didn't eat mine.
Patrick, you're supposed to take care of him.
Can we all just come down here? I'm sure Patrick was busy with work. And Joshua should know better not to be eating on the streets. Can you just put this on, please? Okay, let's just go. Let's go, please.
You know I can't walk in these shoes. I certainly hope they know what they're doing around here.
I'm sure they're doing the best they can for him. The nurse said the ward is over there. Let's just check it out. Oh my God, baby.
Joshua. Joshua, thank God you're fine.
Shh, let's not wake him up. It's good he's sleeping.
Okay. You look after him while I go and call his father.
Okay. Baby. Baby, please wake up.
Yes. Yes. Not long ago.
How is he doing now? Is he fine?
Well, he's sleeping now, so he seems fine.
Well, what are the doctors saying?
It's late and the doctors are not around, but Patrick says it's food poisoning.
Food poisoning? From the hotel?
Not hotel food. I hope he learns to be as selective with his food as he is with everything else.
Okay. You think the situation is under control then?
Yes. No need to worry. He'll be fine.
Okay, but I'll be here. Let me know if you need me.
That is, if you'll pick up.
I'm sorry about today. I was at a high table, and it was almost time to get on the podium. Forgive me.
Okay. Talk to you tomorrow then.
Ma'am, I got this for you.
Oh, thank you. That will do. Please, can you help me? Oh, thank God. Is he awake?
He's still sleeping.
Okay. Thank you. I'll go see him now.
Okay. I'm so sorry. She can be a handful sometimes.
I'm okay.
We thank God you were here with him. Excuse me, yeah? Hello?
How's he?
Yeah, he's fine now. He's sleeping. Apparently he had some food poisoning.
Joshua eating street food?
Yeah, Patrick mentioned it. He does that sometimes.
I see. I hope he learns from it. How's your journey?
Too long, but we're here now.
Great. When are you due back?
I don't know. I don't think he needs any intensive care. It actually depends on what the doctor says.
But you must stay by him.
Of course, that's if he needs looking after.
Even if he doesn't need looking after.
What do you mean?
Val, His mother called no one but you. What other endorsement do you need?
She called me because she knows I'm his best friend.
Yeah, right. We both know that woman doesn't like you that much.
Well, when it comes to...
Would you shut up and listen to me? The reason you and Joshua aren't together is because of your indecisiveness and wasteful adventures. If you both don't make it happen now, there wouldn't be time. Joshua is a very serious man. He doesn't have time either, and he's trapped in bed vulnerable. I know you have feelings for him, okay? But the advice I'll give you is, if you make someone take your position, that's it. You'll regret it for the rest of your life. Are you there?
I'm here.
So,
What do you mean? What do you want me to say?
which means?
Okay, fine. Yes. I think I still have feelings for Joshua. But I mean, probably he might just be sick and tired of all those breakups we keep having.
Valerie, this guy is head over heels in love with you. Go back and remind him of how it feels to be in your arms again.
I don't know. Yeah, okay, sure. I'll just call you back later, okay? I have to go now. Alright.
Okay, bye.
So, is this how you discussed me before we got married?
Let me be.
No, I just want to know. I want to know whether those times we're pretending not to
Oh, God.
come and sleep over were all part of the seduction.
You didn't need any planning. You weren't as clueless as both of them. And you were properly motivated.
No.
Babe,
No.
listen.
I'm motivated right
I
now.
need to talk to you.
No, yeah.
I need
After
to
this.
talk to you. Like, I really need to talk to you. Please.
Okay. You're such a killjoy.
Okay, listen. I want Winifred to move in with us.
What? I don't understand. You just met this lady.
I didn't just meet her. I've known her for a while now.
As your hairstylist.
Listen, think about it. Me bringing in somebody I've never met before to come live here with me is worse.
No. But there'll be professional house helps. See, we'll be assured of safety because they'll either be from family or...
I told you I don't want family. Not while I'm having this baby.
Or maybe agency. Yeah.
What do you have against this girl?
I have nothing against her. Listen, I just think you're rushing into decision taking.
You don't even know her to have a proper opinion.
Okay. Fine. Tell me about her.
She had a terrible life right from childhood.
How does that...
Listen, let me finish. She witnessed war brutality as a child and relocated here with her mother after her dad and brother were killed. Her mom couldn't even fend for them and she got into prostitution.
No, this is not the kind of inspiration I want to hear.
The only man that was helping the mother got the mother pregnant and died of kidney disease. It's sad.
Hey, come on.
And
Don't.
she She's working with, her talent, which is hairdressing. Trying to cater for she and her sister. Her sister is in the university now. Can you imagine her strength?
Yes.
She got pregnant for a guy who abuses her daily. And babe, she lost her baby too.
Wait. So is that why you want her here? Because both of you have the same thing in common?
Yes, because she understands the pain I'm feeling.
But honey, I understand the pain you're going through, and I feel the pain too.
No, it's not about you. It's a woman's thing. This man forced her out of her shop. That's the main reason why you saw her do Valerie's hair here.
Okay. No, come to think of it, what makes you think that she'll want to leave her home and come and stay here with you?
She doesn't have anywhere to go. That Moses guy keeps on harassing her, so she moved into a motel.
Babe, that's not the kind of danger I want to put you in. What if he follows her here?
He would not follow her here. He doesn't even know where she is now.
Which is not safe for you.
And it's not safe for her either. How can you just listen to her story and remain aloof?
I'm not aloof. Listen, you're emotional right now, and I want you to think with a clear mind, devoid of sentiment.
I want her here. She's hardworking, she's respectful, and will be with me when you are not around. She lost her baby. So then she understands my situation and she would help me through this.
Through what? Listen, you're not losing this baby. Stop thinking about this. I want you to be positive. Okay?
Okay.
Come on. All right. If this is what you want.
I do. This is what I want.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come to bed.